taking flight this summer. Beaufort High School's Air Force JROTC unit is hosting a hands-on drone camp for kids, giving them an exciting introduction to drone technology, flight skills, and real-world STEM learning.
For the couple of days, they were learning the fundamentals of the RoboLink drones. These are special indoor drones that you can not only control manually, but you control by coding.
They're learning how to code, how to problem shoot, the ideas if it doesn't work, how to fly in properly if the balance is off, like how to always problem shoot the ideas.
The 4-day camp is for rising 6th through 10th graders. They're working hands-on, learning how to calibrate, code, and pilot drones as they fly through an indoor obstacle course.
The most fun activity I've done is doing the obstacle course because I like to see my drone fly through the course. You need a lot of hand-eye coordination and just knowing which direction your drone is facing, because if it's facing backwards and you're going forwards, you're going to be going in a different direction.
Well, especially with drones, there's so many variables to deal with. Even just little things like changing the air pressure or anything, it could make it go a little differently. So we're just trying to figure out the right combination of inputs to get it to go exactly through the course.
The drone camp is also helping students build leadership, communication, and teamwork skills.
They're basically learning how to be a better pilot in themselves and teamwork skills, because with the drones, they go through obstacle course where the pilot may not see the course, but their spotter does. So it's really communication skills. Right now, they did some problem solving, like with the batteries. If the batteries go out, their coding may be off. So basically, they're rerouting their steps. So with coding, they're learning how to fix a problem and how to solve it.
Earlier this month, the Air Force JROTC unit also hosted a robotics camp, challenging kids to design, build, and code robots to complete hands-on challenges. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.